have AI chat and writing tools like ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini, Jasper AI, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic. What can people do with these tools? You can write content, scripts, freelancing proposals, blogs, and much more very easily. What about creating images with AI? For images, popular AI tools include Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo AI, Stable Diffusion, Adobe Firefly, and Bing Image Creator. So people can create professional images without design skills? Exactly. You just need to write a simple prompt. How does AI help in video creation? For AI video generation, tools like Runway ML, Pika Labs, Sora, Kyber, Luma AI, Synthesia, and Heijen are widely used. These sound perfect for YouTubers. Yes, especially for faceless YouTube channels. What about AI video editing tools? For editing, some of the best AI tools are CapCut AI, Descript, Filmora AI, Adobe Premiere Pro AI Features, WiseCut, and Opus Clip. So video editing is no longer difficult? Not at all. AI has made editing fast and simple. What if someone doesn't have a good microphone or a voice? No problem at all. 11 Labs, PlayHT, Murph AI, Lovo AI, and Resemble AI can generate professional voiceovers. And for dubbing? Heijen Dubbing, Rask AI, and Dubverse are very popular options. Which AI automation and productivity tools are used? For automation and productivity, Zapier, Make, Bardeen AI, Tascade AI, and ClickUp AI are extremely powerful. Are these useful for freelancing and business? Yes, they are very useful for both. So these were some of the best AI tools you should know. If you want to learn and use these tools step by step, don't forget to subscribe to PK for YouTube. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.